Imagine a source of energy so powerful that it fuels every star in the universe, including our sun. An energy so clean and limitless that it could solve the world's power problems forever. This is nuclear fusion, the process that turns matter into pure energy. But how does it actually work, and can we really harness it on Earth? In simple terms, nuclear fusion is the process where two light atomic nuclei combine to form a heavier nucleus, releasing a huge amount of energy. In stars, the most common fusion reaction happens between two isotopes of hydrogen, deuterium and tritium, combining to form helium and releasing energy according to Einstein's famous equation, E is equal to mc². That means a small amount of mass turns into an enormous amount of energy. Inside the sun's core, temperatures reach about 15 million degrees Celsius, and the pressure is so immense that hydrogen nuclei overcome their natural repulsion and fuse together. Every second, the sun converts around 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, releasing energy that keeps our planet warm and alive. Nuclear fusion is often confused with nuclear fission, the process used in current nuclear power plants. Fission splits heavy atoms like uranium to release energy, but it creates radioactive waste and has risks of meltdown. Fusion, on the other hand, produces much more energy, almost no radioactive waste, and no carbon emissions. So why don't we use it yet? Because replicating the conditions of the sun on Earth is extremely difficult. We need to heat hydrogen fuel to over 100 million degrees Celsius and then contain that superhot plasma long enough for fusion to occur. Scientists use magnetic confinement devices called tokamaks and laser-based systems like the National Ignition Facility to achieve this. One of the biggest international projects, called ITER, is being built in France to demonstrate large-scale, net-positive fusion energy. If we succeed, nuclear fusion could power cities, spacecraft, and even entire planets using the most abundant element in the universe, hydrogen. It could truly be the energy of the future, the power of the stars, harnessed by humanity.